Hello, it's been another busy month at BigChange. Live in-person growth events, webinars and new product lines have been launched. June is all about learning and saving. Hello and welcome to June's Big Community Newsletter. Let's jump right in. At the start of June, we held our second customer growth workshop right here at BigChange HQ in Leeds. It was attended by over 30 customers from a range of industries who came together to learn not just from the BigChange team, but from each other as to how they use the platform to grow their businesses. Due to the success of these workshops, we will be holding another one on the 2nd and 3rd of July. If you're quick, you might still be able to join us. Email louise.stone@bigchange.com to reserve your space. And look out for other dates coming up later this year. In the last newsletter, we announced our 15-minute Lunch and Learn mini webinar series, which so far has been attended by over 250 customers. We have covered topics such as alerts, speedy shortcuts, and getting the most out of the BigChange map. To watch any sessions you may have missed on demand and sign up to the remaining sessions, click on the link below. Last but not least, as we say goodbye to the second quarter of the year, we are pleased to announce that places for our Innovate Webinar for Q2 have just been released. Described by Paul from Kelly's Supply Solutions as customer-focused and extremely resourceful, our Q1 webinar was a huge success. Tammy from Ether Compliance said, "I like that it was a really quick run-through of all your new and upcoming products. It makes it so much easier to carve out the time in my busy schedule. It makes me much more likely to attend another one." Well, Tammy, we hope to see you on the 17th of July at 11 o'clock for Q2's Innovate, the webinar where we look at all the developments and system enhancements added to the BigChange platform. Places are limited, so click on the link below to register now. Customer Spotlight. To find out which customer is in the spotlight this month, click on the link below. The first release of June was pushed out to customers from the 4th onwards. Included in this release was the amazing announcement of BigChange Fuel, the product that brings the benefits of stable fuel pricing to businesses of all sizes. With no monthly fee or cost to sign up, automatic fraud protection, and a range of products available to suit all fuel types, including EV, BigChange Fuel is a must for cost-conscious companies. The perfect partner to BigChange Fleet, BigChange Fuel is available exclusively to BigChange customers. For more details, click on the link below. And that's a wrap for this month's Big Community Newsletter. Remember to hit the subscribe and bell buttons below to be notified when new content goes live. And if you like this video, why not give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment. Until next month, continue to be unstoppable.